Welcome to the Top Best. The best guided math is probably one of the most effective ways to teach math, especially for elementary students. It's a method that allows teachers to differentiate instruction and meet the needs of all learners. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes guided math so effective, exploring its components, benefits, and how you can implement it in your classroom to foster a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. Number 5. Guided Math Workstations for Grades 3 to 5. Are you looking to revolutionize your math lessons? This resource provides strategies to put guided math into action. It helps you create engaging math workshops for elementary school classrooms. This product focuses on implementing math workstations. It provides practical methods for creating effective learning centers. It's designed for students aged 7 to 11. With this resource, you can design interactive math workshops. It offers guidance on setting up and managing these workstations. The goal is to make math fun and accessible for every student. It includes proven strategies to enhance your math instruction. The product offers practical tips and techniques. This will help you to create a dynamic learning environment. This is specifically tailored for grades 3 to 5. It aligns with the curriculum and supports student learning. It is a valuable tool for educators. What we like. This resource is specifically designed for grades 3 to 5, providing targeted strategies. It focuses on creating effective math workshops. If you're teaching upper elementary and want to implement engaging math workstations, you should consider this. What people say. The lessons are well planned and easy to follow. The activities are engaging and hands-on. It provides a structured approach to teaching math concepts. Number 4. Guided Math Workstations K2. This resource is designed for early elementary classrooms. It provides strategies to implement guided math effectively. You can create engaging math workshops for children aged 4 to 8. The program focuses on putting guided math into action. It offers practical methods for setting up math workstations. This will help students learn and grow. It helps you create math workshops. The goal is to make learning fun and interactive. It's a great way to engage young learners. The workstations are designed for children aged 4 to 8. They provide a structured environment for math practice. It's a valuable tool for educators. This resource helps you put guided math into action. It provides the tools and strategies needed. It's a great way to support student learning. What we like. This one is tailored for grades K to 2, perfect for early elementary classrooms. It offers strategies to put guided math into action. If you have younger students and want to create math workshops, this is the one for you. What people say. The lessons are well planned and easy to follow. The activities are engaging and hands-on. It provides a structured approach to teaching math concepts. Number 3. Guided Math. Today, we're diving into guided math. It's designed to help students master mathematical concepts through a structured approach. This program provides a framework for teachers to deliver math lessons effectively. It includes various components to support different learning styles. Through this method, students build a strong foundation in math. It encourages them to explore and understand the why behind the numbers. The program incorporates a variety of activities. This ensures that every student can engage with the material in a way that suits them best. With guided math, educators can create engaging and effective lessons. It empowers teachers to guide students toward mathematical success. What we like. This is a general resource on guided math. It offers versatile application across different grade levels. If you are looking for a foundational understanding of guided math, you should consider this. What people say. The lessons are well planned and easy to follow. The activities are engaging and provide opportunities for hands-on learning. The program includes a variety of resources, such as worksheets, games, and assessments. Number 2. Guided Math 2nd Edition, Math Instruction Framework. This is a comprehensive framework for mathematics instruction. It provides strategies for engaging students in both small group and whole group settings. It's designed to help educators create effective math lessons. The framework emphasizes active participation and collaboration. It offers practical techniques to foster student involvement in both small group activities and whole class discussions. This approach aims to maximize learning opportunities. This is the second edition, which has been updated with the latest research and best practices. It includes new examples and resources to support teachers. The goal is to provide educators with the tools they need to succeed. With this framework, teachers can create dynamic and effective math lessons. It provides a structured approach to planning and delivering instruction. It helps ensure that students grasp key mathematical concepts. The framework offers valuable support for educators. It provides guidance on differentiating instruction and assessing student understanding. It is a valuable resource for teachers of all experience levels. What we like. This edition emphasizes small and whole group engagement strategies. It provides a framework for mathematics instruction. If you like strategies that boost student engagement, you should consider this. What people say. The lessons are well planned and easy to follow. The activities are engaging and hands-on. The differentiation options are helpful for meeting the needs of all learners. Number 1. Guided Math Workshop. Welcome to the Guided Math Workshop. This workshop is designed to help you understand the core concepts. It is a framework for teaching math. It provides a structured approach to learning and practicing math skills. The workshop includes whole group lessons, small group instruction, and independent practice. This structure allows for differentiated instruction. It fosters student engagement and understanding. It also allows teachers to meet the needs of all learners. Explore the workshop and see how it can transform your math instruction. It's a great way to improve your math skills. What we like. This resource focuses on the guided math workshop model. It provides practical implementation strategies. If you are looking for a workshop-based approach, you should consider this. What people say. 21st century approach to math workshop. The activities promote the learning of different styles and incorporate meaningful technology. Great resource. This book includes many sample lessons and links to activities ready to go. Helpful to new teachers and veterans alike. This book has been a godsend. Truly worth its weight in gold with all the tips and strategies that Donna and Lainey provide. Many methods for implementing, organizing, and setting up math workshop in the classroom for all grade levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.